Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 248. If we start with this box here, we're missing a 3. For this box, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this column now, we've got 1, 2. We're missing a 3. For this column, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. For this box now, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 8. 2 here, so 5, 2. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. For this row, we're missing a 1. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 4, 9 here, so 3, 4. That means that our 9 has to be here. For this column, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. For this top row, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, 5, and 8. We've got the 1, 3, and 8 here, so this is our 5. That 1 and 3 means this is our 8. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. That 3 makes this our 4, 3. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this box, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 2. 5 here, so 6, 5. For this row, we've got 1, 2. We're missing a 3. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. For this column, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. And for this box now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.